Right, I'm Eric Barker. It's the 13th of June 2006 and I've arrived at Rugby at the address of Mr. Cartledge, where he has a water problem in his garden, and I've been sent to building contractors and subcontractors to try to remedy the cause. So I've entered the garden. This is Mr. Cartledge's garden, and I can see, well, it's actually sopping wet. It doesn't feel it at the moment, but as you can see, probably in here, there's water under the decking, stagnant. The sand has washed from underneath the artificial turf, and there's a big indent, and it's squashy to walk on. Right, what's happening is, there's this block of garages, there's I think 4 garages, and all the water from there comes along the guttering and down this pipe, and it goes into a pipe, or it looks like there's a pipe down the bottom there, but it doesn't actually go down it. It bubbles up and floods across and floods the whole garden, and then it runs out onto the car park. Now, not only that, but the next door neighbour, looking, just climbing up over the fence here, they have a pipe also which goes into the ground, which looks to me as if the other side of the fence, it goes along here and splices up with the pipe that goes to what is probably a non-existent or non-working soakaway. It's not working, that's for sure. Whether it exists or not, I don't know. But anyway, the water overwhelms the garden and comes down the step, and it rolls down the car park and right across here.
You all right, Ray? Hiya, how you doing? All right.
And as you can see, I don't know whether the video picks it up, there's green patches where it looks like water's been running constantly. It goes under the fence into this garden here. So what I intend to do is put a gully in here, install a gully in here, and some AccuDrains up to this point where this junction box is. That'll catch the water coming across the car park. But what we also intend to do is the downpipe that's running into Mr. Cartledge's garden, which is there. Then to reroute that and put it the other side. Let's go back out and see. And run it down the side of the wall there, so that runs along the car park, and it's just going to continue running here, and it'll run across there like it has been before. The only difference is, instead of coming out through that gateway there, it's just going to come that little bit further down the side of the wall. So now, if that doesn't work for any reason, now that's the first plan. The second stage of the plan would be to put a gully underneath the pipe, the down pipe, after it's been rerouted, and put AccuDrains all the way around here. There's 27 metres in all, right the way across here, across the arch, and teaming up with the gully where this 4 pipe is, which I assume goes into the main drain. I can't imagine that being a soakaway, especially at the top of a hill. So that's our plan, and then about 2 metres, a bit more than 2 metres along there of AccuDrain as well. So that sums it up. If that doesn't cure the problem, then we'll have to go for option 2, which is putting the AccuDrains in all the way around. The first option should solve it, but remains to be seen. Great, okay. Well, thank you for your time, Mr. Cartledge, and I'll keep this video, and if they need it, I'll pass it on to them. Okay. I'm back again on the same job. I haven't left it as yet. That's Mr. Cartledge's job. And the pipe that's coming down there, what I plan to do is splice into that pipe with the neighbour's permission, because they've probably got a water problem as well, which they haven't yet complained about, and run the pipe along the back of this wall, which will be out of sight, and take it round the corner and splice it into this down pipe here, which will be located on the other side of the fence. So that needs doing as well. That really needs doing along with this first phase of the job. Yeah, so that's about 10 metres of drain pipe plus couplings and fixings to splice it in and work on the fence panel as well. I think it'd be stupid not to include that for the effort that's involved. Okay, I think that's all we have. Okay, it's 5:10 on Wednesday evening on the 15th of June 2016. Still at Mr. Cartledge's job. I think I made a mistake on the date. I said it was Monday the 15th. It's actually Wednesday the 15th of June. Just a correction there. Thank you. Okay, well, I'm done here now. And it's 5:25 on the 15th of June, Wednesday evening.